Hello from Slovenia again. It's the third day of my chakra series with dip and lip technique, kind of a flowers, and the red root one is done and the orange one is done, and today is the day for the yellow one. And I already poured my background color that I will not bother you. I used Pebeo primary yellow opaque because I want to have some opaque color for a background. So, you know, it's just, it will be 7 paintings like this. You can hang them whatever orientation, and I don't know, I probably would hang them in kind of a spiral way because they are chakra pours. And as I said, I will tell you a little more about the solar yellow chakra when I will pour my puddles for a flower. And we will see what will happen. I will just go through my colors and then I will tell you a little more about this is burnt umber, Amsterdam extreme sheen gold, Maimeri golden yellow, my pearl white mixture, Amsterdam nickel titanium yellow, and Arteza Indian yellow. So I will start with my puddles and tell you more about the yellow chakra. Let me tell you a little bit about the solar plexus chakra, third chakra. Main color is yellow, and the word in Sanskrit, Manipura, means city of jewels. It's located in upper belly, and it's kind of a center of personal power, because this chakra governs personality, ego, identity, and also a personal freedom, choice, and authenticity. And it has much to do with motivation, willpower, purpose. What else? Self-confidence. This solar chakra has a masculine energy, and as I said, it's symbolized by the yellow color and gold. And elementary, the solar chakra is associated with fire as well as the sun. So, life. So this was just a little bit about the yellow one, and let's see how it will turn out. Okay, my puddles are down, and now I will just try to do some kind of petal shape here, and just to make those puddles a little different. And now I will spray my paper napkin with water, and let's see what will happen. I love it. And I'm not afraid about my background because it will level out like it did on the previous ones. I will maybe just pour a little bit here on the very edge. As I said, it will level out, so I'm not worried at all. So here is a close-up of Solar Chakra. I think that it turned out gorgeous. I love it, and as I said, I don't worry about the background, that it's not smooth right now, because it will level out. Pretty happy with the solar one. I really love it this way, the right way. See, it's just amazing, like some, I don't know what tulip. I like it, my hands are shaking. But I wanted to show you all three together. Kind of, I don't know how you would love to hang them. Oops, sorry. Maybe like that towards. So as you can see, the background on the previous one, this is not varnished or anything, this is just dry painting. And the orange one that I was worried about, the background is totally smooth and okay. So I know that this one will be too. Probably this one is my favorite till now. So tell me what you think about, will this be a good 7 paintings together? I think that I will definitely like them. You know, you can have it just like a normal paintings, you know, just whoop, I don't want to. No, I think that it will be quite nice. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.